So at the top here, you're gonna have where it says your mainnet. So right now we're on Ethereum. So we're gonna want to go down here to add network. Now it's going to pop up a few fields that we have to fill out information. So I'll have the information below this video. You can look in the description. And if you guys are on mobile, I'll show you how you can access it on the mobile application with MetaMask. You're going to follow these simple steps and then just add the info that I'm going to put below the description of this video. All right, so Polygon RPC URL right here. Copy it. There was a space before, so you're going to see this red lettering. You want to make sure that you get rid of that space. ChainID is 37, and then your block explorer down here. So 137 in MATIC. All right, so blockchain explorer, same thing. Make sure there's no spaces. 137, MATIC, save. Very, very simple. Now your wallet, now your MetaMask is connected to the Polygon mainnet. Next video, I'll show you guys how to actually move money over to it, bridge it, or how to invest in a smart contract on the